So, since the extension, me and Sienna have been wanting an animal to keep. We have got 2 cats already, and now since we've got the extension, we've got a dog. So now you want to show them the mountain dog? He's only like 15 weeks old, and he's quite big. Aren't you? His name is Aya. Are you a good girl? Yeah?
Now pick her up.
Oh no, Dad. I'll pick her up. Oh no. Hazel will try to pick her up. Wait.
Go on, pick her up.
Yay! Doggy hug. You're heavy. Good girl.
Yeah, you get
I taught her how to sit, Haid.
Yes.
Ah, she's a good girl.
Yeah.
Are you going to be famous? You're going to go on Instagram. She's going to go on Instagram. Yeah. Are you going to go on Instagram?
I'm a puppy.
What? That's our new puppy now.
Yeah.
That's Sienna.
That's Doggy.
This is
It's
Aya.
opposite day.
Ow.
I'll tell you over time.
Ow.
Good Aya.
So that was kind of a short episode, but now we are going to end the video here. Subscribe, leave a like, click the bell for notifications, and we are out. Bye.